Portfolio management. As per the standard for portfolio management, the definition for portfolio management is as follows. Portfolio management is the coordinated and centralized management of one or more portfolios to achieve organizational strategies and objectives. Again, a lot of information in just one line. Diving deeper, it talks about coordinated and centralized management. The portfolio manager coordinates with the component managers, that is the program managers, the project managers and operation manager. The portfolio management is also centralized. So it is saying coordinated and centralized. More than one portfolio, as you can see, one or more portfolios. So portfolio management is not with respect to one portfolio. It can be more than one portfolio. Unlike program and project managers who usually manage a single program or a project, a portfolio manager can manage more than one portfolio. This is quite distinct. Organizational strategies and objectives. There will be many organizational strategies and objectives documented in the strategic plan of the organization. A portfolio captures a few of those strategies and objectives and achieves them using portfolio management. However, the final note in the above statement or the previous statement informs this achieving organizational strategies and objectives, and that is needed. So as you can see in the previous statement, to achieve organizational strategies and objective. So that is needed, and that is what makes you a portfolio manager. Related to it, I have a tip which is telling you a lot of literature has different definitions or interpretations of portfolio and portfolio management. Always go by what the standard for portfolio management guide is saying to you, that is version 3. The guide should be your final reference source. It is the job of the portfolio manager to identify, categorize, select and prioritize the portfolio components such as programs and projects. Optimize the portfolio components and produce a mix of components which gives the best portfolio value. So you not only have to identify, categorize, select, balance, prioritize, also you have to optimize and get the best portfolio component mix. Allocate organizational resources to the authorized portfolio components to accomplish organizational strategies and objectives. So as I said, the projects and programs are the execution part. So you have to allocate the resources to do the execution, and that is how you will achieve the organizational strategies and objectives. Authorization of components such as programs and projects happen, or that is happening at the portfolio level. Build and decide on a set of portfolio management processes with the portfolio governing body. That is also the job of the portfolio manager. So you have to build and decide on the portfolio management processes. Also, he or she ensures the portfolio management processes are followed. The portfolio manager is also going to inform the portfolio governing body on the status of various components and also aggregate the portfolio status regularly. So the portfolio manager is going to get the component status reports, and we are going to see that in communication management knowledge area. So the component status of the components such as projects and programs will be accumulated by the portfolio manager and will be aggregated at the portfolio level. These are important to know for your PFMP exam. It is at the portfolio level where investment decisions are made, organizational resources are allocated, and return on investment is also calculated. It is also at the portfolio level where projects or programs are decided to be undertaken. It is at the portfolio level where you decide which initiative to approve, reject, balance, pause or resume or terminate. Now what is this initiative? Initiative means it can be a project or a program. So here at this level you are deciding whether to approve, reject, balance, pause, resume or terminate or cancel the component.